Now we are at problem number 8. We have to evaluate the integral of t second squared t dt from 0 to pi over 4. So again, we have here an algebraic and a trigonometric. So from the iLatte or the iLate, we let you yung mas priority natin yung ating algebraic compared doon sa ating trigonometric. So we have let u equal to t, then du is equal to dt, then our dv becomes the second squared t dt. So our b, taking the integral of both sides, we have the integral of second squared t, that is tangent t. Okay, so applying, so meron na tayong integral now of u dv, applying the formula, that is uv minus the integral of b du. So our u is t, our v is tangent t, minus the integral of, wait lang, babother lang si sir ng konti dito, the integral of b tangent t, then our du is dt. So we have here t tangent t, but the problem is, what is the integral of tangent t? So from our trigonometric, ihihiwalay ko lang to, from our discussion of trigonometric functions, so we have tangent t dt. So pwede natin gawin dyan, sabi natin, para mas simple or mas madali nating ma-evaluate, gawin nating sines and cosines. So in this case, this is sin t over cosine t dt. Then we let u is equal to cosine t. Nababother si sir nang walang natin parenthesis. Okay, then our du is negative sin t dt. Now our dt becomes du over negative sin t. So this becomes the integral of sin t over u times du over negative sin t. So cancel. Then we have negative ln absolute value of u, which plus c, which is negative ln cosine t plus c. So therefore, this is the integral of tangent t. Hindi, meron pa pong negative, hindi mawawala yung negative dahil dito. This negative is from the formula. This negative is from integrating our tangent t with respect to t. So this is minus ln absolute value of cosine t plus c. Simplifying, this is t tangent t plus ln absolute value of cosine t plus c. Okay, so we have a limits here. So we have 0 to pi over 4. Evaluate muna natin siya sa ating upper limit. So the f of pi over 4 becomes, so this is pi over 4 tangent of pi over 4 plus ln absolute value of cosine pi over 4 plus tanggalin na natin yung c since this is a definite integral. So let me remove yung mga plus c dito and replace it with a bar indicating our limit 0 to pi over 4, 0 to pi over 4. Okay, so from our unit circle, yung pi over 4 ay masyadong maliit. Kung ito ay pi over 2, therefore, pag hinati ko siya, yan yung pi over 4 or that is equivalent sa 45 degrees. Kapag 45 degrees, ang value ng ating coordinates ay square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. So, yung cosine natin ay square root of 2 over 2, yung sine din natin ay square root of 2 over 2. Therefore, since pareho sila, yung tangent natin at this point is equivalent to positive 1. So, this is positive 1 plus ln cosine. So, ang cosine pi over 4 is square root of 2 over 2. So, we have here square root of 2 ln square root of 2 over 2. Simplifying, this is pi over 4 plus ln square root of 2 over 2. This is our upper limit. Puntahan naman natin yung f of 0 or yung ating lower limit. So, we have 0 tangent 0 plus ln cosine 0. Okay? So, since ito 0, we do not need to identify ano ba yung tangent 0 kasi i-multiply naman natin siya sa 0. So, automatically, this is 0. Plus, we have yung cosine 0 natin, dito yan, that is positive 1. And the ln 1, yung ln 1 po, always remember this, yung ln 1 ay equal to 0. Therefore, this is just simply 0. So, the answer for this problem is just simply pi over 4 plus ln absolute value square root of 2 over 2. And this is our answer for this problem.